please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the videos we post in future from totsandmoms.com.
Hey people, good morning. I'm Kavita and let's learn to make dalia porridge today. Dalia is the purest form of whole wheat because it is unpolished, and this dalia is rich in vitamin C and protein as well, and lots of fiber it contains. This can be given to 8 months and above babies. And here to sweeten it naturally, I have used dry dates powder, and to make it nutritious, I have added nuts powder. Both the recipes are given in the recipe link or the description box here. You can have a look at that, and let's move ahead and see how to make this dalia porridge for babies.
Let's take a pressure cooker. I'm adding ghee to it, followed by dalia or broken wheat, which I have washed prior. Let me mix it for a minute, and then I'll add dates powder. This is optional. You can even use soaked dates if you do not have dates powder. I have put in method to make dates powder and nuts powder on my blog. I'm adding these both, and then cardamom powder. Adding milk to cook this porridge. You can even cook it with water. Give it a quick stir, mixing in all the ingredients well, and then we'll close the lid and pressure cook it for about 3 whistles. If you are using a pan, just cook it for about 15 minutes with the flame being at sim, and our whistles are done. Now we'll move it to cool down. After the pressure is released, you can check that dalia porridge is ready to serve. For older kids, you can serve it just like this. A naturally sweetened dalia porridge is ready. But if you want it to be given to porridge and you do not give textures yet to the baby, you can blend it smooth just like this and serve in the baby's favorite bowl. The dalia porridge is all ready now.
Hope you like this recipe. If you did, not forget to share, like and comment on this video, and we will be eager to meet you soon. So subscribe to our channel so that you get the notification of any videos we post in. Take care of yourself, and we'll catch you up soon in yet another recipe video very soon. Bye bye.